Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to create GoPro account. Okay, as now we already have this GoPro Quik app, and when you just open it, you can choose to continue as a guest, or we can select create account. Okay, now let's create an account together. When you just press it, you can choose whatever. You can connect with the Apple's app, with your Google Gmail account, or connect with your Facebook. So I decide to connect with my Facebook account. Just press connect with Facebook. Okay, and now just press continue. Okay, now it's already connects, and you can choose to enable notification or not. So I just select enable notification. Okay, allow notification, and now you can use the app. Okay, for example, now I power on GoPro using the app. Okay, and GoPro turn on. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can create GoPro account with your GoPro's app. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.